Hello, Agnew, and welcome to Friday Chess. This is Dr. Barrett's cousin, coming to you live via satellite through the intranet from across the pond in England. Now, today we're going to talk about a knight, and being English, we like our knights. The knight is very unique. It looks like a horse, but we will not call it a horsey. No. That is a very big taboo. The knight is worth 3 points, so it's equal to point value as the bishop. The knight starts on the B square and G square at the beginning of each game. I like to think that a knight there's a boy knight and a girl knight. A boy knight and a girl knight, one for each team. Now the knight moves in a strange and unique way. It moves in an L shape. And as you can see here, these green squares indicate the choices the knight has on its first move. It can go up 2 over 1. It can go up 2 also over 1 to the left. It can go up 1 over 2 to the right. The same with this knight. It has similar choices. Up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, or up 1 over 2. We'll move this knight up 2 and over 1. And we'll do the same for the other side. Now I want to show you a little something about the knight and its moves with its choices. Now here you can see, in close to the middle, this knight has, you can count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 choices. It makes like a circle. So we talk about the center being a good place to control in our strategy. And for the knight in the center, it has more choices. This knight that's on the edge of the board only has 4 choices. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has half as many choices. We like to say over in England that a knight on the rim, see the rim of the board, is grim. He's not very happy because he doesn't have as many choices as the other knight over here. And so let's say also that this knight moves here and this knight moves here. And let's say the knight gets itself backed into a corner. Well, now that knight has even less choices. It only has 2 choices for the knight to move. So just like in life, you don't want to back yourself into a corner, because if you do back yourself into a corner, you have less choices. So if you make good decisions and stay centered, stay balanced in your life, you'll have more choices. So let's also now talk about how the knight can move, capture, shall we say. As our knights are moving around the board, having fun. As you can see, this red square tells us if it goes here, it'll be captured. And now I don't know exactly why our computer is not liking that. It doesn't want to be captured. But the way the knight does capture, when it captures, is it lands on the square of the piece. In this case, the knight, the dark knight, is threatening to capture our king, and the king is not allowed to be captured, so he would have to move away. But let's see if we can get our knight So, I don't know what is happening with the computer. It's acting really funny. It doesn't want the knights to be captured, I suppose. But I want you to see what happened. The way this knight captured, it moved in an L shape. See all the choices it had? This one would be bad because the king would take it. But in this case, it comes here, it's nice and safe, and it captures the other knight. Just takes its spot. So there, in a nutshell, is your knight.